Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group. I'm here in Geneva today to show you this 2-bed, 1.5 bath home. You have a beautiful water view and there is seller financing being offered at 5%. I'll go ahead and flip the camera around and give you a tour.
This newly renovated waterfront home is priced at $425,000. You have a new roof and AC, and there's a total of 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, with 1,124 square feet of living space. You have fresh new paint on the interior and exterior of the home, new baseboards and laminate flooring throughout. The light fixtures are new. There's no HOA in this neighborhood, and you are zoned for Seminole County Schools. In the bedrooms, you have new ceiling fans. There's a large closet. You have lots of natural light throughout the home. A full-size bathroom with tile flooring. There's a shower and tub, a large closet, and behind me is your vanity. We'll now come into your primary bedroom. You have the beautiful bay windows, a half bath, and a walk-in closet. In the living room, you have French doors looking out to your patio. Tall ceilings with shelves for you to put all of your small decorations and whatnot. The dining area is next to the kitchen where you have your breakfast bar, tiled floors and backsplash. Lots of cabinets and counter space, brand new stainless steel appliances, which include your refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. Last is the laundry room. Your washer and dryer are included, and there's also a new water heater. This door takes you out to your carport. You have a nicely shaded backyard, a covered patio, and a workshop. MULLET Lake Park is less than a mile away. Again, seller financing is being offered at 5%. You're right on the St. Johns River, and you have a boathouse as well. For more information, please give me a call